Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this picture light. As you can see, you got the power button right there on one side. You got the charging port on the other. It's USB-C. The nice thing is it's all touch control, and you also got this remote control where you can change the temperature of the light, you can change the brightness levels, or you can put a timer on for 15, 30, or 60 minutes. So if you press it on, there's the first brightness. It's got a white temperature. Go again, the second brightness. Highest brightness right there is 3 different levels. You can also hold down on this and it'll change it to the yellow temperature. It's kind of mixed between yellow and white actually. You press it again and then you've got completely yellow. So there's plenty of options to choose from. It was super easy just to attach this to this. There is a bolt and a nut right there. And then you simply have 2 screws that you screw this into the wall like that. And then you can slide it over. And the nice thing is this lasts for a very long time on a charge. You don't have to worry about cords hanging anywhere, which don't look good. This has a nice clean appearance. Has a charging cable. It's everything you really need to spice up your living room or any photos that you have on the wall. Thanks for watching.